Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys something a little different and they are invitations I made for a graduation. So I do have these in my Etsy shop and somebody ordered them. I wanted to share with you guys what they look like, what I made, because my shop and what I make is just kind of more than, just albums. I make cards, I make cake toppers and cupcake toppers, and did I say cards? Like birthday cards, whatever, all kinds of cards and invitations. So I wanted to share with you guys what I made. And of course, if you guys are looking to get some invitations, check out my shop. But these are what the invitations look like. Now, I have printed all the person's information because, like I said, they ordered invitations. So obviously it has the address and stuff on it, but this is what it looks like. It just looks like a little cap and gown kind of thing. And then it just flips open and you have all the information here of the invitation and like for who, where, when, who to RSVP to, and whatnot. I'm going to show you guys one on like a sample one that I made just so I can share with you guys. And these are listed in my shop at like with black cardstock, but I have written that if you want another color, just to let me know. And this person in particular wanted like a darker green, so that's what I did. And here is the example. So you guys get to see, it's like a whole finished cute little invitation. I mail them out with their envelopes to the recipient, and then they mail it out to, whoever they're mailing it to. But you do get envelopes with the invitations as well. So they fit perfectly there. And yeah, it just looks like this. So you have your cute little like tassel and the little cap part, the back, and then this just flips open and you have all the information about like for who it is, the date, where, who to RSVP to, and whatnot. And yeah, so it's just a cute little thing. Like I said, this is just my sample info, so I only put it down with like a temporary kind of tape so I could just take it off and then put the person's actual information on it with like permanent tape, probably glue. I'm probably gonna glue it. Like use wet glue, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So if you guys are looking to get some invitations for any upcoming graduation parties or anything like that, check out my shop. But I just wanted to share with you guys because this is like not something I ever share, and you guys only ever really see albums on my channel. Albums, traveler's notebooks, little mini notebooks, card folios. Sometimes you might see cards, but those are also rare because I don't make them that often. You guys never see cupcake toppers or cake toppers, and you guys never see like invitations and things like that. So I just thought I would share. And yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day crafting away, or just having fun watching crafty videos. And that is all. So thank you guys so much for watching. My shop link is down below in case you guys are looking to get some invitations, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.